What's good, guys? So as you guys can see here, we have trusted signals hitting all take profits, and this is literally live. But I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys how simple it is to go ahead and use Automated Trader's new advanced webhook section that will be releasing to the lifetime members of Automated Trader shortly this week. As you guys recall, the basic version looked something similar like this, but now with the advanced version, we have all of this built in to trusted signals right here. So as you guys can see here, we have the trusted by TP1, TP2, TP3, and now you just saw it live in front of your face. The trailing stop was hit, so we would have been out of this trade right here. Now, the beauty of it is we have the overlay, okay, with the back testable version. Now this is only available right now if you are a Trusted Signals lifetime member and Automated Trader lifetime member. So I definitely, suggest you guys upgrading, because number one, it's super simple to create an alert. So if you would have started this account right here with $10,000, right now you would literally be up $40,000 in the last month. Okay, this is not a lie. This is real back testable data. I can go ahead and show you right now. Right here, look, May 1st till today, you would have been up using these settings right here. So if you guys want to go ahead and copy them, I changed the pips. I'll go ahead and go through it slow, so that way you guys can literally just copy these same settings. Okay, same settings, guys. Right? We have the filters, some of them turned on. Boom, I'm just gonna go down so that way you guys can copy really quick. Copy, 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 pause it as you may. All right, I'll go back to the top one more time. But the reason what I wanna go ahead and really show you guys is the power of connecting it to Automated Trader, okay? And remember, you can backtest any specific way you want, and it's very, very simple. You can literally disable certain days. So if you wanna go ahead and test out, and it's just literally plug and play. So let's go ahead and go to Automated Trader right now, right here. So what we're gonna go ahead and do is name this. I'm gonna go ahead and put NAS 100. And I believe this is on the 30-minute chart. So I'm gonna go ahead and put 30. And then I'm using Hanko Trade. Link in the description if you wanna enter the giveaway. We're gonna go ahead and press NAS 100.HKT. And you're gonna name this whatever it is inside your MetaTrader. So whatever your broker says, you're gonna go ahead and select that. You're gonna go ahead and click Save. And now you can see that we have the advanced webhook here. So all we're literally gonna go ahead and do is press copy webhook URL. And this is how simple it is, guys. So we're gonna go ahead and go to the strategy tester. We're gonna go ahead and click create alert, because now we wanna go ahead and make sure that anytime this trade fires, we're literally executing. We're gonna go ahead and click create an alert. We're gonna go ahead and literally select that, and then we're gonna go ahead and put 30, so that way we know this is for the 30-minute chart. We're gonna go to notifications. We're gonna go ahead and click paste right here. We're gonna click create. And guys, it's literally that simple. Now, anytime this thing fires, you're literally gonna execute a trade inside your MT4 account, okay? Binance, whatever it is that you select on Automated Trader. Now, guys, the beta for this is gonna turn from a public beta to a private beta. The lifetime membership right now is only, $2,000, and with some discounts provided in the Discord, or I'll pop up right now, which is gonna be a limited supply, okay? You're gonna get it for much cheaper. So let's go ahead and click upgrade. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a few of the codes. For this one, we're gonna go ahead and put Chris P. Boom. And as you guys can see here, my discount for $650 is still available, and I'm sure it's only going to be available for this video right here. So by the time you guys see the next video, this discount will become $500. Okay, now the reason why you want to go ahead and get lifetime for Automated Trader, especially at the discounted rate, is because with the advanced webhooks, you can only have, one webhook, meaning the way the advanced is, you're only going to be able to go ahead and trade one chart. And if you can literally select multiple charts, right? I'll go ahead and just find one right here. Let's go ahead and just go to this one, which I haven't even back tested it yet on this, but I'll just show you exactly how simple it is, just for future reference. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put the bot, right? We have the bot. I don't know what settings we have. I'm gonna go to strategy tester. It's not available. Let me see here. Oh, that's because I gotta go ahead and scroll down and click trade. And once I click trade, now we will see this populate with the trades. And then I'm gonna go to strategy tester. All right, this one is, believe it or not, profitable, right? And keep in mind that this is me not even testing out anything. Obviously, this drawdown is way too much. It started losing in the beginning and then it grew the account back up. And still with, you know, you would still be up $37,000 if you would have chose this. But literally, that's exactly how simple it is. And you would just go here, you would name this whatever you want. You come back here, you press paste, you click create, and then now you have multiple charts with multiple bots on your account. That simple. Link in the description, use the codes, and I'm out. Peace.